Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we will understand our question. The program has to accept the two words, word W1 and W2, and then it should accept the string. So it should accept the string yes, which consists of multiple words. So the program must print the words which occur immediately next after W1 and W2. So if there are no such words, then we must print -1. So first we have to accept W1 and W2. Then we'll have to get the string yes, which consists of multiple words. Then the program must print the words which occur immediately next after W1 and W2. And if there are no such words, we have to print -1. Now we'll take our first test case. So here W1 is A and W2 is good. So after a good we have girl, and also here after a good we have student. So we will have girl student as our output. Then we take our second test case. So here we have where we can see that speak is occurring first, and after that only we have louder. So there are no next occurring words. So -1 will be our output. And in our third test case, we have W1 man and W2 has. So man has, the next occurring word is his. So his will be our output. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the W1. Then we'll get W2. Then we'll get the string yes. Then after that we'll have the variable flag equal to false. And now we'll iterate over for index in range 0 comma len of s minus 2, because first we have to check for W1 and after that it should be W2, and after that we have to print the word after W2. So we have used here -2. Then if the s of index is equal to W1 and the s of index plus 1, that is the next will be W2, then we have to print the next occurring word. So index plus 2, and we'll use end argument and the flag will become true. So here if the flag is equal to false, then print -1. So now let us execute our program with our first test case. So we have got the correct output. Now we'll execute with our second test case. Here also we have got the correct output, that is -1. Now we'll execute our third test case. Here we have got his as the output, which is correct.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next week.